Hey BookTube, Science Fiction Reads here with yet another book haul. Just a small haul from a thrift store. So I've got The Other Side of Time by Keith Lahmer. I've read a few of his short stories and they were good. This would be my first novel of his. I got a few Larry Nivens here. All the Myriad Ways and World of Pataz, and since that matches the previous book, it will replace my old copy. And actually these are cool because they've got artwork on the inside of the covers depicting some of the species from the known space universe. Short story collection here by Vance. This was like 25 cents. I don't think I've read any short stories by him, but I've read a few of his books. Something a little different. People of the Wolf by Michael Gear and his wife. And something in a similar vein. I have these Gene M. Owl books. I got these because they're a very particular type of historical fiction, and I feel like they may be similar to Kim Stanley Robinson's Shaman, maybe, which is one of my favorite books. It's just a story about a group of Neanderthals, and it's really good, so I'm kind of itching to try that type of story again. And then one other historical fiction, Scroll of Sikar by Pauline Gadge. Don't know anything about it other than it takes place in Egypt, but that caught my eye because one of my other favorite books is by Pauline Gadge, Stargate, which has nothing to do with the franchise and came out I think a few years before Stargate was a thing. But this is a really epic, it's like a science fantasy. It's like these different gods trying to keep their various worlds from collapsing. Really good. Nobody ever talks about it. I think very few people have ever heard of this, but I recommend it. This is cool. These were like $1 each. I got the whole Earthsea trilogy. Ursula K. Le Guin, and they're like in great shape too. And they got pretty cool art. So I might start that soon, but then again, I say that about everything. And the last two things are a little different here. This is Planet Story, illustrated by Jim Burns, written by Harry Harrison. This I basically bought for like the awesome artwork. I read it, the story is not that great. It's actually, I found it pretty lame. And I almost think maybe some of these paintings were previously done and they kind of just tried to shoehorn them into the story. I don't know if that's the case, but the artwork is awesome. And that was like $11. I actually bought that online. And something similar, the last thing here, Challenge of the Stars by Patrick Moore. And who illustrated this? David Hardy, who does awesome illustrations. This is like the history of space exploration, but fictional as it takes place in the future. And it's a bit more of an interesting read, and it also has awesome art in it. Like there's an asteroid that's obviously being converted. And I read this a long time ago, and now I own it. It's very cool. I think they made more than one too. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it for this haul. Thanks for watching.